Hello there. So today we will see the 18th week assignment of class 6 subject physical education and health. Question: make a list of the good conduct that exists in you. Make a report on why and how you apply 5 of these conducts to your parents and relatives. First aid is a part of medicine. Dr. Frederick Esmark is the creator of primary treatment. He was a German surgeon. He was the first to think that before taking an injured patient to the doctor in an accident, it was necessary to take measures to prevent deterioration of the patient's condition. Therefore, the first aid is to help the patient with something close at hand until a doctor comes in a sudden accident and to take temporary measure so that the patient's condition does not get complicated. I am a scout or Girl Guide member. A member of my household needs first aid. Here is what I have to do. Number one, diagnosis. I need to find out what caused the illness. I need to find out there are any symptoms, signs, or history of the disease. It is possible to diagnose the disease from the symptoms, signs, or history. Number two, treatment. It is necessary to determine the amount of treatment required and take measures so that the patient's condition does not deteriorate before the arrival of the doctor. Number three, arrangements. Arrangements should be made, transfer the patient to the safe place, if necessary, transfer to a doctor or hospital. If any part of my family member's body is cut off, what will I do is written below. First of all, the action has to be taken by identify where and how much injured person has been cut off. Wash hands with soap. Wash the cut area with water to wipe the floor or cloth. Clean hands with soap and wash the cut area with water and wipe with cotton or cloth. The area around the wound should be cleaned with Dettol or Savlon or any other disinfectant. Blood clots should be removed from the wound. Removal can cause reblooding. Bleeding should be stopped by direct finger pressure in case of small wounds and by pressing with cotton or gauze in case of large wound. If any part of the body of my family members is accidentally burned by fire, hot water, flammable objects, and hot liquid, what will I do is written below. If any part of the body is accidentally burned by fire, hot water, flammable substances, and hot liquids, cold water or egg white should be applied to the burnt area. If a blister appears anywhere, the blister should be melted. If a blister appears anywhere, the blister should not be melted. Seek medical advice immediately. If any part of the if any part of the body of my family members gets scratched, what will I do is written below. If I hit a dumb thing like hammer, brick, stone, etc., or if a animal bites, any part of the body can be scattered. As a result, blood clots in the injured area and becomes dark. Reduce the pain with cold water or ice on the injured area. Second, clean clothes should be soaked in water or ice or cold water should be applied to the injured area. Any kind of muscles can be done on the injured area if necessary. Seek medical help. Thank you.